day everyone, this is Miss Morena and I am here in front of you because I still remember my promise to posting some educational content here on my TikTok account, and I've been getting some suggestions to my friends, and one of the suggestions that I choose to make some video is about the DRRM, or also known as the Disaster Risk Reduction and Management. Before we're going to discuss about disaster risk reduction and management, let us first talk about the preparedness is better than cure. We know that some of you hear or read those quotes, which is saying na mas okay na napaghahandaan natin kaysa nagkakaroon tayo ng problema or kulang tayo ng oras para isagawa yung isang bagay na mangyayari pa lang. Which is, kung handa tayo, alam natin yung gagawin, nalilesen, nare-reduce natin yung risk idudulot ng isang bagay. Just like for example, yung lindol, which is talagang nararanasan natin ngayon at pasulpot-sulpot talaga yung pagyanig na nangyayari. Therefore, kung hindi natin alam yung simpleng duck, cover, and hold, how do we able to survive? Baka pag nauna yung panic natin, yun pa yung maging sanhi ng pagkamatay natin, na imbis sana ang possible na maging sanhi ng pagkapahamak natin is mahulugan tayo ng mga bagay na mabigat that could harm our body. I know that you were aware also, sabihin sa atin ng ating mga guro nung pinagpa-practice tayo ng earthquake drill, na bukod sa duck, cover, and hold, ay kailangan din nating humanap ng ligtas na mapagtataguan na kung saan ay mapoprotektahan, lalo na ang ating ulo dahil ito ang pinaka-sensitive part ng ating body. Kaya't maaari tayong pumunta sa silong ng mga lamesa. And after nun, magbibilang tayo ng ilang segundo or maybe a minute. Pagkatapos nun, dahan-dahan tayong lalabas sa establishment o kaya sa bahay natin upang masiguradong ligtas na nga tayo sa nangyaring lindol. And take note that we should be in an open field or open space. Hindi yung mapuno, hindi yung may mga gusali, dahil may tendency din po na matumba ito sa atin that could possibly harm our own selves.